Our goal with this video series is to help make you safer when traveling through intersections. Come along with us as we look at 3 scenarios riders face when traveling through major Arizona cities. A huge shout out to Trekkie Delirium. In our previous video, we were asked to give some examples and we're happy to oblige. If you have a comment or a request, please make sure to share them in the comment section below. Before getting into these scenarios, we want you to know that dynamic lane positioning is an inexact science. Since our environment is constantly changing, it is impossible to always have the correct lane position. With that said, we want to do our best to maximize our ability to see and be seen, while improving our time and space around vehicles. Sometimes, we are left making the best decision possible with less than desirable options. Our challenge is to reduce risk as much as possible. However, risk never goes away entirely. In our first scenario, the rider is approaching an intersection on a wide open, multiple lane roadway. Notice how the rider is in the innermost lane. We call it lane 1. He is also in position 1 of roughly 3 positions available. This maximizes the rider's ability to see and be seen by oncoming motorists. We are especially worried about vehicles turning left in front of us. For that reason, watch as the rider dynamically adjusts his lane position to improve his time and space while traveling through the intersection. The movement from position 1 to position 3 also creates animation, which may help in getting the motorist to see him better. In this second scenario, the rider is traveling in between major intersections. Notice the raised medians with trees and vegetation. These elements can obscure the rider from oncoming traffic that want to turn left. So the rider adjusts their position from 1 to 3 to improve their ability to see and be seen. Compare the 2 situations, one without median obstruction and one with. Can you see the difference in riding position? In our third and final scenario, we often see riders hidden in the outside lane in position 3. Riders think this may be a safe position next to the curb, but it really isn't. We can easily get lost to motorists who want to turn out of a business area or who want to turn left in front of us. It also places us next to a fixed, raised object, which limits our escape options to the right. If a rider is using that lane to turn right, position 3 invites motorists to share the lane. Therefore, if you're turning right, we encourage riders to use lane position 1. This automatically sets the rider up for an outside, inside, outside path of travel and discourages motorists from sharing the lane. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and place a comment below. If you want more, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Be safe and have fun, everyone.